All right, this is going to walk us through doing number 3 on the 11 shapes. And if you take a look at number 3, there's obviously a lot of different ways we could go about this. I want to do it the most efficient way, which means I'm going to draw kind of this shape right here from the side view on the right side of my on Inventor. So, typically we start with the front. I'm going to do it a little bit differently. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to add a sketch, and remember, I'm going to draw the right side view. So that means I'm going to select this plane. And I'm going to get into my line command. Make sure I start on the origin. And this is a 0.5 scale. So this is going to be 1 inch. 1. Actually 1, and it's going to go up another 0.5. So it's going to be 1.5. Let's get back into the line command. It's going to go out 1 inch. Up 1 inch. It's going to go over 1.5. It's going to go down, looks like 2, which means it's going to go 0.5. So that's my profile that I'm going to use. And I'm going to finish that sketch and extrude it back. I'll flip that around. If I count my squares here, I've got 1, 2, 3. It's going to go back 4 inches. All right. The second thing I'm going to do is put the notch in. So I'm going to put a sketch right here. I'm going to project the geometry of what I'm going to draw on. And I'm going to just draw a rectangle. So from that corner, my rectangle is going to be 1.5 by 1.5. So I guess it's a square. And I now can cut this away to get that shape. Now we've gone over the hole command, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and get into hole. And I'm going to place a hole approximately right here. And the diameter of that is going to be 0.5. I need to get its placement right. So if I were to click on a line, it will reference that. There you can kind of see it's referencing that line. And so I'm going to say 0.5. Whoops. Let's see. Escape. Let me try that again. I'm going to get into hole. I'll place it 0.5. And this is going to be 0.5. And I'll hit, it automatically adjusts. I hit tab. And I'm going to give another reference of 0.5. And I'll hit enter. Now, it went all the way through. And that's the hole I need. I'm going to add one more hole over here. And I'm going to reference, looks like 0.75 because it's a square and a half. And from the top, it's going to be 0.5. All right, shape number 3 is done. So I'm going to go ahead and save that as shape 3 of 11 and move on to my next shape.